Take a look at Dubai's latest attraction, Dubai Frame. UAE's latest cultural landmark, Dubai Frame, is an iconic structure that frames impressive views of old and new Dubai, while serving as a metaphorical bridge connecting the Emirates' rich past with its magnificent present. Dubai Frame is indeed worth visiting for its mind-boggling attraction. While the frame was initially slated to be silver, the designers felt that didn't pack enough punch. It was changed to gold plating to more strongly reflect the sun and intensify its brightness. Dubai Frame is an observatory museum and monument in Zabil Park, Dubai. It holds the record for the largest frame in the world. The building has a height of 150.24 meters and width of 95.53 meters. Another must-see place to visit in Dubai is the Museum of the Future. It is an exhibition space for innovative and futuristic ideologies, services, and products. Located at the financial district of Dubai, the Museum of the Future has three main elements: Green Hill, Building, and Void. Founded by the Dubai Fortune Foundation, the museum was built in March 2015 and has 7 floors.